dance for me. Easy, tiger, easy, let your hair down. Come closer, let me see all your million faces and all your million mistakes. You don't.
Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. Today I have a very messy kitchen, as you can see by all of these dishes piled up and everything all over the counter. So I will be tackling that today, but first I'm gonna start by getting a load of laundry going so that it can be washing while I clean that kitchen. And there are 5 people in my family, so we each get a laundry day, and today is Alex's laundry day. So I'll be washing all of his clothes. He is my 18-month-old. And I am in love with these Dreft scent boosters. They make the clothes smell so fresh. And I'm starting back here in the kitchen by cleaning off a little section of my counters so that I can start unloading these dishes. Now, my 14-year-old daughter, Noelle, she is normally in charge of dishes. So she does dishes every day, which is a huge blessing. And I told her since I would be cleaning the kitchen the next day, just go ahead and take a break. You don't have to do your dishes, and I'll go ahead and tackle them when I do the kitchen. So we have a lot of dishes going on. So here I am just putting everything away so that I can get a new load into the dishwasher.
All those whirlwinds can't touch us no more. We've earned it. We've earned it. We've been mostly off track and under attack, so we've earned it.
And now that those are all put away, I'm going to go ahead and start a second load. And I just wanted to say hi. If you're new here, thank you so much for clicking on this video and visiting my channel. If you're new here, my name is Jenny and I'm a mom of 3 from Louisiana. And I love to do cleaning motivation videos, organizing, decluttering, decorating, and anything that might help you create a clean and calm space for yourself and your family. That is my passion here on YouTube, and I love sharing motivation and inspiration with you guys, and you all always encourage me just as much right back to me. So I'm so thankful for the community that we're building, and if you'd like to subscribe today, I would be so honored by that. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoy it. And there were quite a few dishes on the right that still needed to be rinsed off and put on the left in preparation to go in the dishwasher, so that's what I'm gonna go ahead and tackle right now. I don't know about you all, but for me, my cleaning routine has changed quite a bit since we have all been quarantined at home. I used to clean my house maybe 2 or 3 times a week and just give it a good cleaning, and it pretty much stayed that way for at least a couple days in between. And now I find it is getting messy, like pretty much hourly. So I do have to stay on top of the cleaning with all the kids at home, and we're all making messes constantly. So I have been cleaning 1 room per day, and then also keeping my same laundry routine of cleaning 1 person's laundry each day. And so that has been going really well, and I find that yes, the messes still get made, but they don't go very long, and so I feel like the house is staying a little bit cleaner. So I hope that helps you guys if you're trying to find a good cleaning routine.
Can you please tell it to never stop?
And today I am using the Method all-purpose spray in the lime and sea salt scent. And normally I would use the Method granite on my countertops, but I am out right now of that product, and I'm really only making trips out when it's absolutely essential, and I can definitely get by without using the Method granite. So I'm just using the all-purpose cleaner on everything today.
Oh, we can run mad, be free falling, and yet be glad. Can you please tell it
before the washing machine stops, so I'm hopping over into the laundry room and changing loads. Let me know in the comments, how have you guys been handling your cleaning and laundry routines right now? Did it change since the quarantine, or is it staying the same? And what is your current routine? I would love to know. Before I clean the microwave, I want to make sure and get that turntable out so that I can get it in the dishwasher with that load. And I'm making up some more of my solution. It's just a little bit of dish soap and some vinegar and some water. And that is just what I use to clean out the inside of the microwave. And I also use it to clean the inside of the refrigerator whenever I do clean that. But I won't be cleaning the refrigerator today.
To be true. Every little bit of my heart lights up. Can you please tell it to never stop?
And sometimes I use that same solution to clean the glass on the microwave and the oven because it just comes out really clear and clean. And for the stovetop, I normally use Barkeeper's Friend, but I had run out. And last time I was at the grocery, I went ahead and picked up this Wyman's cooktop cleaner, and to be honest, I'm not really impressed with it. I actually like the Barkeeper's Friend a lot more because it has like the baking soda inside. It's a thicker paste, and I feel like it just gives me a little bit more cleaning power. This spray was very thin and watery, and it was just strange. It was like I was just scrubbing with water, so I didn't really feel like it was doing the job that I was hoping it would do. So I'm not recommending this product. I'm definitely not going to be buying it again. And I'm just going over this with the vinegar spray to get the cloudiness out and make it clean and clear again. And then I'm going to take the Wyman stainless steel cleaner, which I do like, and go ahead and clean the dishwasher and the refrigerator.
Echoes from the other night, gossip about our delight. What if we would join our forces? What a bliss. You make me understand this place in a whole different way. You make me wanna live this life to the fullest, to the fullest. I will read you love poems, hope that you get convinced. Then I'll play something really slow and ask you to dance.
And now I'm cleaning the trash can, also with the Wyman stainless steel cleaner. This thing gets so dirty. I can't believe how dirty it gets. So I really feel like I need to clean this pretty much every day.
This place in a whole different way. You make me wanna live this life to the fullest, to the fullest. You make me understand this place.
And now I'm back in the laundry room and I'm moving Alex's clothes from the dryer to the basket and then from the washer to the dryer. I usually just divide the clothes into 2 loads, lights and darks, just to keep it simple. And when I got back to the kitchen, I realized that I had forgotten to clean the stainless on the oven and the microwave. So I'm just doing that really quickly.
Say what's the remedy? We'd be like minded if we could, but that's not the case.
And now the second load of dishes are done, so I'm going to go ahead and unload those onto the counter. And I know Easter's this weekend, and this is the last video that I will be seeing you guys before Easter. So I was wondering what kind of plans you guys have for Easter. I know that it's going to be super weird and different, and we're pretty much still staying in, but I just wanted to know if there was anything you had come up with, any ideas to kind of make it special for your kids or for your family. So I'm looking for ideas. I'm still trying to figure out how exactly we're going to try to celebrate, but I know we'll do church in the morning because we've been doing that online. But after that, I just kind of want to do some special things with the kids, but I'm not really sure what yet. So if you have any suggestions or have any special plans in mind for your family, please let me know in the comments. I would love to hear them. And this is just the last little bit of dishes, but I know it's a partial load, so I'm going to go ahead and leave it in there, and we'll add to it during the day, and then we'll run it. And since I'm out of the barkeeper's friend, I'm gonna go ahead and use my Mrs. Meyer's dish soap to clean my sink. It's really dirty, but I'm just gonna have to scrub extra hard to get it clean since I don't have the barkeeper's friend. But I wanted to tell you guys about this Mrs. Meyer's in the rose scent. I don't know if anyone else has tried it yet this spring, but it is heavenly. I could not believe how good it smelled. I have this pump soaps in my bathroom as well, and I'm washing my hands more and more and more just so that I can smell the roses. It is literally like you are sticking your nose into a huge bouquet of roses. It smells so fresh and so realistic and just so beautiful. It's such a feminine light scent, and it is by far my favorite. I'm loving it. So if you have a chance to try the Mrs. Meyer's in the rose scent, I just picked up mine at Target last time I was getting groceries, but it is so wonderful. I absolutely love using it.
We can do it. I know we'll find the missing frame. Sideways, up or down, it's all the same. We will do it. We will do it. And we will do it. And we will do it. Hey, I've been dreaming about you. Every night I see you clear as day. It's just something about the way you make me feel. 'Cause I can't concentrate anytime you're beside me. Yeah, it's what you do to me. I can barely breathe.
And this tray on the Keurig machine is another thing that gets really dirty.
And all the words that I'm gonna say the next time that I see your pretty face. 'Cause I can't concentrate anytime you're beside me. Yeah, it's what you do to me. I can barely breathe. It's what you do to me, making my head spin in circles. And how you move.
And now I'm just gonna dry these dishes off with my dish towel since they came out and they're still wet before I put them back in the cabinets. And I wanted to take a second and ask you guys, are you enjoying the Quarantine Life series? I am really excited about it. I have the Quarantine Projects series coming right after it, and this is just a way for me to share some extra motivation with you guys that is a little more specific to what we are going through right now. So far we've done our easy and fast dinners. That was the last video, and these were just dinners that you can just throw together really quickly for your family, and it's not really a whole lot of cooking. It's more just like something you can put together in a pinch. Some of these days are getting pretty busy. And then this video is the cleaning routine. And then for the next video, I have planned that I'm gonna share with you guys our productive yet flexible family routine. And it's just kind of the block schedule that we are on right now, so that we are being productive, but we're also taking some time for relaxation and quality time together. And then the final video will be my anxiety and depression management routine during the quarantine. So basically mental health management. And so I really hope you guys enjoy those, and I hope you get a lot of value out of them. And thank you so much for watching and supporting my channel. Alex's last load is now finished, so I'm going to go ahead and hang up all of his clothes and get them put away, and then fold all of his clothes right here on top of the dryer.
It's what you do. Hey, I try my best to talk to you, tell you about the things I like to do. You know your smile is lighting up the room, up the room. Do you always look this beautiful? Can I kiss you when the night is through? Because right now it's all I wanna do, wanna do. Your lipstick left a mark on my cheek, so I keep thinking of you.
Normally I fold clothes either on my bed or on the dining table, but his clothes are so small that I can easily fold them right here on top of the dryer, and the laundry room is right next to his room, so it's just more convenient this way.
See you again sometime. If you'll be standing by your door, I'll pick you up at 8. I said, whoa, you wanna do it again? You wanna do it again sometime? I wanna hear your voice over the phone. Can I call you when I get back home, so we can talk about you and I, you and I.
And as I'm looking at these cabinets, I can't help but think of the quarantine project series that we will be diving into after this one, and I'll be painting this whole kitchen white. The cabinets will look so much different. The whole kitchen's gonna look so much brighter and cleaner and whiter, and it's just gonna open it up so much. So I'm so excited about that. So make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss out on any of that motivation. And I'm using my Light and Easy steam mop to handle these kitchen floors, and the Method floor cleaner in the Spearmint Sage scent.
If you'll be standing by your door, I'll pick you up at 8. I said, whoa, you wanna do it again? You wanna do it again sometime?
And if you got any motivation out of this, please do me a huge favor and hit that like button before you leave. And also head over to Instagram and follow me. I'm at JennyForYourThoughts_. I enjoyed spending this time with you today. Thank you so much for stopping by my channel, and I hope to see you again very soon. You guys have a wonderful day.
Whoa, you wanna do it again? You wanna do it again sometime? Whoa, can I see you again? Can I see you again sometime? You'll be standing by your door, I'll pick you up at 8. I said, whoa.